Hello friends, you watching the Innovative channel, and in this video we will fix SIM card not working or SIM card contacts not showing problem in Vivo V21 or Vivo V21e. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you're facing SIM card not working or contacts not showing problem in Vivo V21 or V21e, first of all you need to open settings. So first of all just tap on settings and then follow every single step. Also this will fix your problem.